And the another way is to put a guideline. So this is the guideline I am putting it here, and now I will change it to some dp. So let's change it to some dp. So I am converting it to the percentage, so 0.1, 0.2. okay, so let's keep it as 0.15. okay, now what I will do, I will connect, or I will make constraint of all these elements with this guideline. So here I will write start to end of, and here the ID I will pass is guideline profile. Now and end to end end to end of parent. Okay, so start to end of the paragraph and end to end of parent. Now as I have told you, if we are using something other than parent into the reference, then you have to use what? Constraint width true. Okay, now here there is I need to delete this code. Okay, because that is for editor purpose, not this purpose. Okay, so end to end of parent, start to end of guideline profile, which is your this okay, sorry, guideline paragraph we want to keep, not profile, guideline paragraph, right? So it is into the center. Now I have given two constraint, I have to give third constraint. So top to bottom of guideline profile. Okay, so at the center you can see it. Now remember I told you about a bias. Okay, so this bias is this. Okay, this divider is at bias. If this is horizontal bias, if I move it to the left, see that my text view is also moving to the left. Okay, so this is 0 now. So 0 means whatever constraint you have given to the left side, it will have 0 space in between. If I move it a little bit to the right, so here I will have that 7 number of space to the left side. So I want to move it to 0, right? Now I will keep the same constraint for these, but one below the other. Okay, so for end to end, horizontal bias, and start to end, I will keep these three things same for every text view. Okay, so see, now every text view is being constrained from this guideline, bias 0, and end to end of parent, right? Okay, and now top to bottom of, I will have to add top to bottom of property for this. So I will copy this and here I will paste it, but I will change the name to top to bottom of view A. So see, it comes down with the view A. Now here I will go again, I will paste it and I will write view B because I want it below the view B, and here I will write view C. So all of my elements are now arranged according to this guideline, and one below the other. You can use flow here also, but we will learn about flow in the next video, or you can use chains here. even if you use chains here now, it is one click thing. You don't need to add much of the code there, right? So with the chains it is much easier also, but since we are learning, so I wanted to show you this using this top and bottom constraint with the guideline. Okay, so this is how your guideline works. So guideline will not move. Okay, guideline will be there, guideline position will be static. Okay, now let's move ahead to another helper in the next video. Okay, so I will stop it here.